Well, hey folks, here's my two Mojave Desert tortoises. As you see, they're coming out of their above ground burrow right here because I picked them some mulberry leaves, one of their favorite foods to eat. And they are not going to waste the opportunity to eat that. I also threw them a piece of corn right there, corn on the cob. They'll eat that too. This here's the male. His name's Aries. Look at him go. This here's the female. Her name's Xena. And I've said this before, but unlike water turtles, these guys are not aggressive. They won't bite me. They're super friendly. They're very gentle creatures. Very fascinating creatures. Very prehistoric. Not the smartest creatures in the world. Definitely fascinating though, and prehistoric. And very cool. It never gets old coming out and seeing these guys. Anyways, folks, thanks for watching. A little update on the tortoises. We'll catch you next time.